Hello again. Well, here's a little bit of good news. It's posted on the Wall Street Journal. Title: Former Subway pitchman Jarrett Fogle to plead guilty in child sex case. Charges include distributing child pornography, travel to engage in sexual conduct with minors. It starts off: longtime Subway pitchman Jarrett Fogle reached an agreement with federal prosecutors to plead guilty to charges of distributing child pornography and illicit sexual conduct with a minor. The latest followed in a case that has sparked questions over big brand decisions to closely align themselves with individual personalities. Apparently, the 37-year-old agreed to plead guilty to 2 criminal counts and to request a prison term of at least 5 years, according to court documents. Prosecutors, under the agreement, can ask for a sentence of up to 12 years. Mr. Fogle also will pay $1.4 million in restitution to 14 victims identified by the authorities. His lawyer says that his client has a medical problem. Yeah, he actually does have a medical problem: overactive libido, especially when it comes to minors. These people are sick, and he obviously does need to pay for the crimes that he's committed. I'll attach the link. Looks like 2 of these perverts will be taken off the street. The director of his foundation, which was targeted for young girls, Russell Taylor, will also, I believe, soon be sentenced and sent to prison. They're not going to have a good time in prison. Prisoners don't treat pedophiles all that well. And I think that Jarrett and Russell will soon find that to be true. Good riddance to bad rubbish.